the principal of our college, PSR Law College, Madam directed to take up the environmental law for online classes. As far as the environmental law, which is having syllabi for both the third year and 5-year LL.M students. First of all, today we can take up the subject environmental law, which is a very significant one as far as the present day scenario is concerned. So, before going to take up the concept of the present topic, that is environment and pollution, that is the topic that has to be covered in this session, in this module, we can say, environment and pollution. Before going to take up this topic, environment, whether environment is corroborated with the ecology. Why? Because it has been originated from the ecology, the term ecology. And besides that, the environment, the word has been derived from the French word environner. The environment has been derived from the French word environner. So it is the environment can be taken into consideration with the various aspects. Whether the environment, the subject environment is a science or not, that is one point that has to be covered. Environment, before going to take up whether it is a science or not, why the concept of the environment is having a so much so important aspect? Because man, being a product, a social product, social being, he is a creature on the earth, which is surrounded by the environment. So, in this aspect, the environment is taking into consideration the natural science. This is environmental science is a natural science. So, in that aspect, there are two concepts that have to be divided. One is physical science. So, in the physical science, the aspects which relating to it is concerned with the living things and other aspects in the environment. So, it is the bounden duty of the creatures, that is the men living on the earth, to safeguard the environment in all spheres. The concept of environment has been mingled with that of the earth, the water, and other celestial bodies also. Why? Because if the environment is in the safe zone, the survival of the men in the society becomes fruitful. Otherwise, once the environment has been disrupted, either by way of through the water or through the way of air, the aspects with relating to the environment will be affected largely. So, the concept with relating to the pollution, why the environment has been corroborated with the concept of pollution means, if once environment has been polluted, either through by way of water or by the way of air, it is the earth and water and air that has been largely affected, which in turn will collapse the entire scenario. Say for example, how the environment has been affected largely because of what we recently that has been affected, when the environment has not been ecologically saved, how the people have been affected in the recent past of the coronavirus. So, and environment and pollution, that means environment once protected, pollution will not take place. See, in the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord Krishna has already told that Yat Bhavati Tat Nasyati, whatever that is created, that will be destructed one day or the other. That means Yat Bhavati Tat Nasyati. So when the destruction is there, so that destruction which should not be a detrimental to the environment. So it is the responsibility on the part of the constitutional provision is also the paving the way for the protection of the environment. And when we come to the pollution aspect, pollution is by way of air, by way of water. The environment has been largely affected. So once the pollution has been generated, it is the bounden principle and responsibility on the part of the machinery, governmental machinery, to apply undoubtedly the principle of polluter pays principle. Polluter pays principle. That is, whoever pollutes, that they are under the bounden duty to pay, to indemnify, what we call indemnification. That is, to make good the loss that has to be applied by the governmental machinery. Why? Because without protection to the environment, the survival of the mankind is becoming and putting in the jeopardy. That is the reason why the environment has to be largely protected. My dear students, at the end, I will pose one question with relating to the environmental protection. The environment, write a short concept on the environment and pollution. Thank you very much.